Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna be streaming part 4 in this. I probably should be able to get more done with this one, or at least more things, more visual things done. Eh, so this is the theme I'm trying to make. This is a PSD file. If you've been following me along, I basically been setting up and kind of figuring how things work. I'm using Understrap, which has underscore and Bootstrap 4. It also has Sass because Bootstrap 4 actually uses Sass. So there's a few things that I have to learn more. I have to learn a little bit more about Sass, which I was doing before, and I have to learn how Bootstrap 4 works a little bit more. I know how Bootstrap 3 works. I know responsive design. I know all about HTML. It's just I have to learn these things. So last part I was trying to do, I was trying to add a font. So I have the font, and it appears on um, every single nav item that I have. Let me refresh this. I also have a logo. So what I want to do is, this could be any logo. This logo doesn't matter. I want to make this transparent. I also have to set up the hover effect. So I'm going to do those two things. I'm going to first make it transparent, then I'll set up the hover effect. Or actually, I'm going to set up the hover effect, then I'm going to make it transparent. And I'm also going to see, I'm going to try to make it exactly like this so it looks more in line for what I want it. Let's see. So this is going to be, okay. So then that'll basically take care of the nav part. So let's go back. Let's go, can you guys see? Okay. Let me see if I have, let me open the chat. Do I have it open? Oh no, I have it open. I just didn't have it. Okay, so let me okay, so let me add a few pages. So uh this is, let's see how it looks. So a blog page headline. So why is a headline first? Okay, I'm gonna have to change that. So uh, I have to do home about services works. I don't actually have to have it exactly like that, but I have everything shorter. So I'll have one more page. So one more page would be works add, and this I might change eventually because this might be in a portfolio section. So, but we could kind of have the menu looking better. Okay, work add. Okay, so let's change the name. So let's do headline. Okay, headline isn't going to be headline. Headline is going to be called home. Okay, blog is going to be called, actually I don't have blog here, but let's, blog is, okay, services, blog is just going to be blog. Okay, works is going to be works, and I want to have an about page. So I'm going to put these like this for now, just to have 4. Just to see if my changes, home, blog, services works. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let me see this. So something I have to do is I have to make an underline text decoration. So when I hover, I do two things. Let me see. So when I hover, I become bold. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So right now when I hover, let's see what happens. hover. Force state hover. Align. Force state hover. That's not what I want to do. So I have to force state this one. Okay, I think. Okay. So the way I have it working, I have it. Okay, nav link. Nav link. Okay, that nav link has its own hover class. So let me see. So I think I could just change that nav link to just be font family font family. I just want to see something. Wait. Unforce this. Unforce it. And unforce this. Oh crap. How do I unforce it? Okay. Hover. Okay. Okay. So I could do that. So I could just change. If I just change nav link. Well, let me see. This is nav link font. Let me see. Nav link. Okay, so this is this style right here. How do I do hover with SCSS? Let me figure that out. How to do hover effect with SCSS. That's not what I wanted, but no, that's not what I wanted, but this is kind of cool. You can easily debug such things when you go through the generative CSS. Okay, so I think all I have to do is uh okay. So I'm gonna change it here, and I'm gonna make it and hover. Okay, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. And hover. So it's gonna be this font family, but it's gonna be no. Let me just check something. I think I just gotta do font weight. So let's go to font weight. Okay, so if I go here and I just click this link right here, and then I click font weight, and I click 700. Okay, so I click okay, but let's not do fantasy. Just font weight, font weight, 700. Is it doing it? Huh. Let me see. So let's go back. Uh, so okay, I'm gonna restart it. Give me 1 second. Is it because it's far? Oh, okay. I didn't restart. I didn't do anything. You know what it is? Sometimes if it's really far, um, like if I'm over here, it doesn't really get it really well. It's probably a setting that I have to do, but uh, so why haven't they? So I had an interview yesterday. It went well. The only thing is, it went well. It wasn't okay. I never do bad in my interviews, but I never know if I get them. Um, it went well. I was friendly with everyone. I don't know. Sometimes I don't like to think about it. Okay. Yeah. Right now, I'm trying to do I'm trying to make a WordPress theme. Maybe I'm kind of trying to do it to learn, but maybe I can actually sell it or something. But or at least go through like maybe if I don't sell this one, I kind of go through the process of doing it. And also I gotta have to do more like PSD Photoshop files to like HTML and like WordPress because they always ask for that. And sometimes they do like in-person tests, and usually when I do it, I'm kind of slow. So I gotta get quicker with that. Uh, and also I could sell it too. If I sell it, I just make money. Okay. So what was I doing? Um, so okay, so we have this. Um, oh, okay. No, I remember what I was doing. Uh, let me just check something. If I click that, okay. So when I click it, this becomes active. Okay. Let's go back home. Uh, I don't know how to do the underline. Let me see. If I go here, if I go here, um, okay, so that nav bar nav. Oh, also, I actually like I had potential to do projects, but and they were paid projects, but right now for me it's not worth it. I'm looking for like a full time, and like I rather spend time learning and then find the full time, or at least for October, because it's kind of easier to get hired in October. After that, I have to just accept anything. Uh, okay, so okay, so hover. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do the hover. Okay, so this is hover. So font weight, because when we hover over it, it should become 700. Okay, font weight. Okay, is it doing it? Yeah, for I'm good until this year, honestly. And then after that, I have to do anything. Okay, so yeah, so I think it is increasing the weight. So okay, okay, so uh, okay, so let's do this. Let me switch to VS Code. Okay, so we have here. Let's clean this up really quick. Okay, no, how do I do this? Format document with. Oh, okay. Uh, so okay, let's. Okay, so this should be the hover. Okay, so it should be mm, font weight 700. Okay, so I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this, and then I'm going to have to add. Wait, did I do this correct? Okay, so yeah, so it's gonna be nav link. So nav link, huh? Header. Okay, this is nav bar. Nav link. Okay. Uh, okay. So this is okay. So this is a Walker class. Um, I think I have to put it in here. Last time I put it. I'm gonna. Ah, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Last time I put it. And the reason I have to put it in here instead of WP menu is because this puts it in every. I don't know actually how specific I have to be with this, but uh, okay. So where am I? Okay, so right now they have they have their own nav link, but uh yeah. So right now they have their own nav link, and I'm gonna put mine with my formatting. Uh, this is just combining, trying to do like BAM and Bootstrap. Okay, so so let's do this. Uh, let's let's copy this one, and then so this is a Bootstrap formatting, and this is mine. This is gonna be my class that I'm gonna create, and then this is actually outputting a string. So I have to put the little concatenate little space. Um, okay, so let me do that for this one. Okay, let me do that for this one. Okay. Uh, okay. Oh crap. Okay. Okay. So let's save this, and I think it should work after this. Let me refresh. Let's save this. Let's save this. And let's refresh it. And they're gone. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what I did wrong. Uh, oh wait. Oh, okay. I think I might have. Okay, I know what I did. I removed their nav link. So, oh, and see, okay, this is what I messed up in. I I didn't concatenate it. I just put it equal to. So let's put this. Okay, so that's my mistake. So like here, I didn't have the concatenation operator, so it was just making it equal to this. And then I was getting rid of this nav link. I was getting rid of the bootstrap nav link. So now that I save this, it should work. Hopefully. Okay. Okay. So I got it to work. So, okay, so I got the fonts to work. Now I have to make an underline, and I have to make an underline, and I have to make this transparent. Okay. How do I make an underline? How to make an underline, underline, oh, underline hover up. Okay. Okay. Uh, these are some from CodePen. This is kind of cool, actually. Uh, Let me see what this looks like. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. Just dropping in. How this look? Uh, y- mm, underline, underline cover. Let's see. Cover this text. Okay. Okay. So how does he A before? Okay. I think anything too hard to do. The first thing I need to do is turn off text decoration and set the links to relative information. Okay. Let me see some. Yeah. This isn't easy. Um, hmm, hmm, CSS. Okay, CSS filing. So I can make a simple one. How do I text decoration? Text decoration underline. So that's what I'm gonna do. Text decoration underline. Um, eventually I'm gonna make a better one. So let's go here. Should be a simple change. So hover, and then when hovered, text decoration underline. Okay, save. Let's see if I need to change. Okay. An error occurred which has caused it to close. Don't worry if you're streaming in front, that's still happening in the background. Okay. Click yes to keep the stream front. Yes. Oh, okay, so I'm still streaming. And I'm gonna just close it.